Car Insurance Rate Checker Tools Pricing explained what you get for your money. Most people get this wrong. They think checking car insurance rates online is time-consuming or requires sharing sensitive information. The surprising truth is that these tools are fast, secure, and often free or very low cost, helping you find the best policy without overpaying. Pricing varies. Basic rate checker tools are free and allow you to compare premiums, coverage levels, and company ratings instantly. Premium services per month offer advanced features such as personalized recommendations, alerts for discounts, historical pricing trends, and guidance on bundling policies to save money. Annual subscriptions can sometimes reduce costs further while providing ongoing updates and support. For example, a month service might track multiple insurers, show potential savings if you add a safe driver discount, or simulate your premium if you adjust coverage limits. Some platforms also include expert tips on which plans balance cost and protection most effectively. Most people get this wrong by focusing solely on the lowest monthly premium. The real value comes from understanding coverage differences, company reliability, and hidden fees. A rate checker tool ensures that you choose a plan that saves money without sacrificing protection. In conclusion, car insurance rate checker tools provide excellent value for your money. They save time, reveal hidden discounts, and make comparing policies simple and stress-free. Investing in a trusted tool can help you make informed decisions and keep your insurance costs under control while maintaining optimal coverage.